Tired of hunting through Elementor panels just to add a simple video? Embed your video in Elementor in 3 minutes flat. First, we'll open the home page in Elementor. Then we'll add the video widget, and finally, we'll insert your video from Upload, Library, or URL. First, open Home in Elementor. Click the highlighted element. Now go ahead and click on WordPress. Then click on WordPress again. After that, click on Video. Next, click on Title. Then click on Add Video. Now click on Upload Files. Then click on Media Library. Then click on Insert from URL. Then click on the highlighted element. Finally, click Close Dialog. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.